I'm here for you. I take care of you. I give you the things you desire, things you enjoy, but above all, things you need to live. It really wasn't all that easy in the beginning. But I've always moved with the times and got better. From hard manual labor to steam power, then to electricity and automation. Now, I'm standing on a solid foundation. Yet I can't rest on it. I have to keep adapting. So I'm changing even further. I am becoming digital. I create images of myself in the virtual world. With these digital twins, I try out things and optimize myself before becoming real. I gather volumes of data to see how I can make myself even better. I am industry. And I want to get smarter, more flexible, more productive, more efficient, more secure, and far more personalized. But nobody can do it alone. I rely on a strong partnership between technology providers, suppliers, and users. I need people who understand exactly how I function, who exploit previously unimaginable potential with cutting-edge technologies. People who will accompany me on the path to the digital future.